All right, guys. Good morning. Welcome to the live session, or let's say live trading session. Uh, this is MGM AI community. This is where we use our AI to make money from the financial markets. So, for those of us who are new here, you guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. Let's begin. Let's begin. Let's begin. So this is MGM AI community. This is mgmoptions.com. This is the website where the AI is. Uh, this is where the AI is. So moment you are here, log on to mgmoptions.com and create your account. This is where the AI is. The moment you are unlocked, you get to see. Okay, give me a second. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let me get it back. All right. So the moment you are connected, you get to see AI signal. Whereas 23, 13 of them are active. Success rate is 90%. Market scan is 56. AI accuracy is 94. So the moment you click start scan, it generates a signal. Now this, how do you interpret and how do you take a signal? And this is how it looks. The moment you generate it, so it generates you in the ALC scanner rectangular box here. You get to see the pair. This is the pair, the bold ones at the top here. It is here is a EUD and it's a DOTC. You get to see underneath it is the 5 minute standard signal. And the next thing on the right hand side here is the direction. This is just put. The next thing you have here is the AI confidence. AI confidence here has to be 90 to 99. This is what this AI confidence and signal strength is what prompts us to take a signal. So this has to be what 90 to 99, and this has to be the signal strength of strong. So that is what we have. That is what we must see. Now here must be 90 to 99. So 99, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99. Now the next thing we have here has to be strong. So that is what we're looking for anytime we scan for a signal. This side here is a direction. Direction here is put, so that means you're selling. If you see call, that means you're buying. So here is the get ready time. This is like the time when the AI generates the signal and delivers it to you. This one here is the entry time where you execute the signal. Here the martingale levels is where you um these are recovery levels for the entry signal. So that is how the that is how it works. So now let's go ahead and take a signal so you guys can see how it works, and let's enter officially into our live trading session. So stop scan, start scan. Remember, we're looking for 90 to 99 and signal strength of strong. So stop scan 70. No, 76 is a no because we're looking for 90, 76 here, also 82. is a no. 75 is also a no. 81 is a no. 92 92 is within our most, but the signal strength has to be strong for. Here we have to 78 uh, uh 78 it's no, 92 strong. This is what we're saying. So is what evaluation you that's 100. So now is 5. So that means I'm going to be now check here. So buying that's time I'm buying at 10:09 37 seconds. So I'm buying at 10:09 37 seconds. So we have about 10 more seconds to go. 10:09 37 seconds. So we're buying in 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So buy now, guys. Buy now, buy now. So right now we have the signal running, USDMXN. So let's do a screenshot of the signal itself, so we can continue the other parts of the live session. So this is the first signal of the live session. So after this, we have 4 more to go. 4 more to go. So minimum, let's say we're going to be here for at least an hour. So this is the first AI signal. Okay, it seems you are having the Telegram issue again. I don't know. But can you guys hear me?
Hearing you, sir.
Okay, so that means it's not Telegram. So let's go on. So this is the first signal of the live session. So now the next thing we're going to is the AI signal performance for the last 1 week. The next thing we have here is the top AI signals. Next thing we have here is latest AI signals. This is like a notification bar for signals. The next thing we have here is the trading signal. This is the other side or the other part of AI where you can take signals from. Now we have the all signals active, pending, and closed. And the active signals are the pending signals are where we take signals from. So we have the time frame of 1, 2, and 5 minutes. Now, the moment you select 1 minute, you see 1 minute standard signal. The moment you select 2 minutes, you see 2 minute standard signal. The moment you select 5 minutes, you see 5 minutes. You see 5 minutes standard signal underneath the pair. So that's basically how it is. So now, with this in mind, let's go in and take a signal. So how many minutes do we have on this signal? We have 2 more minutes and it's in profit. So we have 2 more minutes. So let's manage our time very, very well. So here we click refresh. Since you can't trade expired signals, obviously, so you can look at this. You can't trade expired signals, obviously, so you can see how this is arranged. It's arranged in a more different way from the AIOTC scanner. So you can see the pair. you can see status here. But here you that's where you find call and where you find put. Underneath here you find a timer. Here you will find AI confidence. You see the get ready time, you see the entry time, and you see the martingale levels too. So the only difference between that other one and this one is the timer. The timer is different. The dashboard has does not have a timer. This has a timer. Dashboard only has the get ready time and the entry time. So that is the difference, major difference. So so let's begin. How do we take a signal on the trading signal? So in the meantime, let's check. We still have about 1 minute to go. Now, how do we take a signal on the trading signal? Very simple. First, you need to identify the time frame. When you click 5 minutes and a signal, that means here you'll be trading forward for 5 minutes. That's what it means. So when you click 5, you'll be trading forward to 5 minutes. So once you click 2 minutes on the time frame, it means you'll be trading for 2 minutes. Now, if you now click on one and it shows you 1 minute standard signal, it means you'll be trading for 1 minute. That's how it works. So here you can't trade the expired. So you click refresh. You click refresh until refresh signals, refresh signals, refresh signals, refresh signals until it brings you to the new set of signals here. So now when you have this here, the first thing you'll be looking at is the AI confidence. AI confidence has to be 90 to 99. So let me stop here and let's look at our signal. We just want this signal. So this is the first one. So I'm coming back to my explanation in a bit. So this is the first one. So let's go to the second signal. Remember, it has to be what? 90% to 99%. Remember, it has to be 90% to 99%. Stop scan, start scan again. 73, 92%, but it is what? Moderate. So you have to skip it also. 81, no. 82, no. 78, no. 96, but it is moderate. Skip it to 92, but it is moderate. 89, no. 76, no. 97 and strong. So this is what we're looking for. 97, 90 to 99 and signal strength of strong. So what is the pair? The pair is GBP CAD. So come here and research GBP CAD and we click. Now, since we are GBP CAD, how long are we trading it for? It is here 5 minutes standard signal. So that means we're trading for what? For 5 minutes. So you come here, you select 5 minutes. Now the next thing we go and check is the direction. Direction here says call. So that means we're buying. What time are we buying? We're buying at what? 10, 16, 25 seconds. 10, 16, 25 seconds. That's when we're buying. We're buying at 10, 16, 25 seconds. So we have less than 10 seconds to go. 18, 19, we're buying at 25, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So buy now, guys. So while we're still on GBP CAD, let me do a screenshot of the earlier profits I made on USD MXN. So now do a screenshot of the current signal which we are on right now, which is GBP CAD, which is GBP. So let's do this. So this is here. Okay, so now we have that there. Now the next thing we are going to do, okay, I'm going to do a screenshot of this other one, GBP CAD. AI second AI signal. So you just have the second one secured there. Now, the next thing we're going for, okay, okay. So we're explaining something the other time, which was the trading signals. So the trading signals, the trading signals here. So we're talking about trading signals, and I was on 5 minutes. So I was talking about how you can take a signal using the trading signal. So that's very, very simple. So come to pending, pick on 5 minutes. Now the first thing you're supposed to check is for your what AI confidence. AI confidence has to be 90 to 99. So now the moment you see 90 to 99, yeah, that's in that piques your interest. That's 90 to 99. This is 98. Good. So now the next thing you look at the countdown timer. Let's refresh. This is 99. So the next thing you look at is the countdown timer. Since you are trading 5 minute standard signal, your countdown timer has to be above 5 minutes before you can say you take the trade. But here it is not above. This is 4 minutes. Now look for another 90%. Yeah, confidence. This is a 93. So what? Look at this. 1 minute. Your countdown timer is 1 minute, so you have to skip this too. And this is 92%. But look at this countdown timer is above, is below 5 minutes, so you skip that too. Now this is 96%. Your countdown timer is below 5 minutes, so you skip that too. This is 93%. Your countdown timer is below 5 minutes, skip that too. This is 98%. Your countdown timer is uh below 5 minutes, also you skip that too. There is what? 91%. The countdown timer is above 5 minutes, is 8 minutes. So you copy the signal, then you paste it somewhere and you execute it on this entry time. So that is basically how it works. So for 5 minutes. So let's check how long do we have here. We have 1 minute and 1 minute to go. So let's keep going. So the next thing we're doing is to check for the 2 minute standard signal. 2 minute standard signal also works the same way as the 1 minute, as the 5 minute standard signal too. So you click, you refresh. Now, when you're on 2 minutes, you check because the confidence has to be 90 to 99. So this is 91. You check the countdown time. It has to be above 2 minutes standard signal. Since it's 2 minutes, so you click. So we have 30 seconds to go. So the moment you click your copy, then you just execute the signal on this entry time. So let's get ready for the first martingale level. Looks like we are going to be using our martingale level on this one. So let's get ready. 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're on the first martingale level right now, which is this one here, 10, 21, 25 seconds. You have engaged our recovery level to recover this. So let's keep going. And we still have about 4 minutes and 40 seconds to go. So the next thing we have here is, I already explained how 2 minutes work. So next thing we have here is 1 minute. Now when you see 1 minute standard sequence, it's very, very simple. Same idea, just like you used on the five, and same concept of 5 and 2 minutes time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame also, the first thing you need to find is the AI confidence of 90 to 99. So down here is 98. You found 98 here. So the moment you find 98 here, what do? You check the countdown timer. Now you found 95 here. So the moment you find 95 here, the countdown timer is above 1 minute. You copy, you paste somewhere. You can see signal copy to clipboard. You paste somewhere, then you execute on this entry time. Same thing with 96. If the countdown timer is above 1 minute, you take that too. So that's basically how it is. So that is for the trading signal. Very, very easy to use. So the next thing we have here is the auto trading. Auto trading talks about the ability of the AI to take trades for you. It takes signals for you. That is auto trading. It takes all the signals for you, executes the trades for you. That is how auto trading works. Now, the first thing you need to do is just log in your account, log in your email, the unused on IP options, log in your password, unused on IP options, and then you trade. That is basically how it works. Now, the only way you can get access to, the only way you can get to use the auto trading feature, you will get access to the AI dashboard, trading signals, everything will be working fine. But the only way you can get access to the trading, the auto trading feature is look at this initial broker connection requires a real IQ options account with at least $1,000 available in that account you want to trade with the you want to use to trade on the auto trading has to have 1,000 on it. If it doesn't have 1,000 on it, it won't work, it won't connect. So that is how it works. But if you don't have up to 1,000, you can use the dashboard, you can use the trading signals, and it will work fine. Now the next thing we have is the market analysis. Let's check the status of our trade. So we still have 2 minutes to go. Still have 2 minutes to go. So here, market analysis here talks about the inner workings of the AI and how it works and what it does to give you signals. And the first thing you find here is AI sentiment analysis. This talks about the ability of the AI to study the market sentiment and use the market sentiment to give you an informed signal. So it checks for the for trader sentiment, whether traders are going bullish or traders are going bearish on a particular signal. The next thing here is the AI event scanner. AI event scanner here talks about the abilities of the AI to study the news, usually high impact news, and the figures coming out from them. The moment it studies the news, it uses the figures that come out from those news to determine the strength and weakness of a particular pair, particular currency. So when he gets that, he uses that to give you an informed signal. The next thing here is the AI technical indicators. The AI technical indicators talks about the ability of the AI to study the charts and recognize patterns. And the moment it recognizes the patterns, it uses that also to give you an informed signal. So let's see how many seconds to go. 50 more seconds to go. 50 more. So let's watch. Let's get ready just in case for the second martingale level on this entry, on this particular signal. Let's get ready. 30 seconds to go. Okay, so we have 20 more. So we have 3, 2, 1. So we are on the second martingale level, which is this one here, 10, 26, 25 seconds. So that is what we are using right now. So let's see how it goes in the next 5 minutes. So while I'm still doing my explanation, So the next thing we have here is the MGM TV. MGM TV here, this talks about the premium contents you get access to. These are the contents you can get access to. You can watch a lot of videos here, keep watching a lot of videos here, and you can see live sessions like this are always uploaded there. So you always get access to it. So the moment you click a video, it plays and you can hear the sound and everything. So you can see it. This is it. So this is it working. So you can watch a full video here. Then you can just click forward it in, and you get to see every single thing. Every single thing I've explained over and over again, you can always get to see it and get access to it. So that's basically how it works. And then you can also get to see the other videos on YouTube. It is on YouTube also. It plays directly from YouTube too. So yeah, and then you go here, you check the AI solutions. So these are the videos you get to watch. There's so many. for you to see. So that is basically how it is. So let me go back to here and pause this. So now that is for the MGM TV. Now, the next thing we have here is the community. Community talks about the two types of communities we have. We have the MGM AI community and the market warriors. The MGM AI community is where we are right now. This is where we know how the AI works. We get access to it, and from here we get access to the AI, and from here we join the market warriors. The moment we get access to the AI, we join the market warriors. So let's see. Okay, this is 2 minutes to go, so we still have enough time. Get to join the market warriors. Now, the moment you're on the market warriors, you get access to trading sessions with me like this. So the trading session, this kind of trading sessions will end on Thursday on this MGM AI community. You won't get to see trading sessions again like this on MGM AI community. You won't get to trade with me on MGM AI community from Thursday. It will resume back to the market warriors on Friday. So market warriors, guys. Yeah, I'm sure you'll be happy to hear that. Now, we get to trade together on the market warriors. We also get to host competitions on the market warriors and trading competitions. We get to also where people will get to win cash for trading. We also get to host. Also get to do one-on-one mentorship on the market warriors and general mentorship on the market warriors. We also get first time updates on the market warriors. We chat on market warriors. We post our results on market warriors. And many others, many other things we get to do on the market warriors. So, but I think one of the few ones I also say again is we host webinars too on the market warriors too. Okay, so this signal looks like it is sealed. We host webinars too on the market warriors, and these webinars is an opportunity for me or for us to get to give you more knowledge on how you can be better at trading yourself, especially with the AI. You get better at trading, and you understand so many things that would help you grow in your trading journey. So that is basically what these webinars are for. We did one on Sunday, and that was what options brokers don't tell you and don't let you know. So those things like that are what you learn how to become better at your risk management, how to make more money, how traders out there are making money themselves. So all those things are what you'll be learning, and those things are especially the things that will make you get better at what you are doing currently or what you are not doing currently. So we just secured this win, and from everything by calculation, this is 618 2000. So that this is about $240 made on this signal. So let's go to the third signal on the live session. The moment I take this third signal, the floor is open for questions. So you guys can unmute yourselves and ask questions from there on out. So AI confidence is what? 74. So here we can't go for AI confidence 74. We have to start from 90 to 99. 88 no, 98 and strong. So this is our signal. So we go, what is the pair? The pair is what? USDT-RY. USDT-RY. And I'm starting with 600 as risk. And the next 9 minutes I will trading for. We're trading for 5 minutes, and that's where you see 5 minutes standard signal. So I come here and I trade for 5 minutes. I click 5. The next thing I have here is the direction. Direction here says call. So that means I'm buying. And at what time am I buying? I'm buying at 10:32:55 seconds. So I have less than 20 seconds to go, heading into 10. So I'm buying USDT-RY at 10:32:55 seconds. So 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So buy now, guys. So buy now. We are on USDTRY. So I'm going to do a screenshot of our profits from earlier. So for those of us who are have questions, now is the time to unmute yourself and ask questions. It is important that you do. You can't be on MGM AI community and not ask questions. You need to be able to ask questions. That is a sign that you are part of us.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Laluboy. Let's hear you.
So for the MGM subscriptions, what I'm seeing here is silver plan $100 and $500. But you in previous classes you always say all we need to get access to the AI is having opening an account on IQ options, deposit minimum of $10, and then send you ID and email for both MJ option and IQ option. So I was not like asking, is this one you told us to do? Is it going to give us unlimited access to the AI? Is it going to give us full access to the AI for a limited time or unlimited, like forever, one time something, or what? Because the subscription I'm seeing here is making me ask this question. Thank you.
Okay. Very good question, sir. Very good question. Give me a second. Okay. So it's a very good question, and you are correct with some of the things you said, and which is the second point you made. The first one you saw on the channel is if you want to get access to the AI without being on our channel, that is when you have to pay some certain subscriptions. Do you understand? But the fact that you're on MJM AI community means that you are a member of the community and the AI is available to you for free. So you don't need to go through that part. Do you understand? Now, since you are a member of the community, what you need to do are 3 simple steps. There's no specific amount attached to it. It is up to you. You want to trade, right? So whatever you have is what you will use to trade, right? Now, how do you get access to the AI? Very, very simple. That is the question in short. Let me do a screenshot of this so I don't lose this too. Let me do a screenshot of this so I don't lose this too. And I'll show you what you were trying to tell me earlier. Let me show you the AI signal. This is the third AI signal, right? Okay, so now here is it. So I have a screenshot. This is what you were trying to show me earlier. Subscriptions, right? Now, for if I was just randomly meeting you outside or you're meeting me outside, this is what you get to do. This is what you would do. As long as you're not on the MBMI community, you are going to only get access to the AI either with $100 monthly or $500 monthly, depending on your type of access. A lot of us here, all of us here have gold access, which if you were not part of the community, you'll be paying $500 to access it. Now, since you're not on gold access, since everyone is on gold access, that means you'll be paying $500 to access, but then you're on the MDMAI community and the AI is free for everyone on the MDMAI community. Now, how do you now get access to it for free? It is simple. 3 simple steps. First, you need to register on the AI platform itself, which is mjmoptions.com. That's the first step. Send me the email you registered with. That's the first step. Now the second step is for you to register on. So we want the Signal 2. Second step is for you to register on the IQ Options platform using our link. When you register on IQ Options using our link, you go to your profile, you copy your user ID. After you copy your user ID, you send that to me also. That's the second step. Now the third and final step is for you to fund your own IQ Options account. And this AI here would be unlocked permanently. That is how it works. Do you get it? So there's no specific amount attached to the IQ Options. What you want to trade with, fund with, what you want to trade with. Do you get? When you said $10, no, there's no specific amount. Some people have 10, some people have 20, some people have 50, some people have 100. When I wanted to after I created the AI, or after I was done, after I finished work on the AI and started using it, the first thing I funded was 12,000. So this is that 12,000 is what you are seeing at this moment right here at 407. Did you get it? So it depends on you, whatever amount you have to try trade. That is how it works. So let's go to the thoughts. Did I answer your question, Mr. Ali?
Yes, I did. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So this is the fourth signal we're going to. 73 is a no. 82 is a no. 84 is a no. 90 and strong is a yes. But then CAS CHF feels familiar. Okay, we didn't take anything like CAS CHF. So the next signal is what? CAD CHF, which is also CAS CHF. Now the next thing we have here is the 5-minute standard signal. 5-minute standard signal. This means we are going to be trading for 5 minutes. Now, next thing is what direction are we trading? We're trading the call, so that means we're buying. So the call means buying. And what time are we buying? We're buying at 10:40, 31 seconds. So we have less than 20 seconds to go to buy CAS CHF. Less than 20 seconds to go to buy CAS CHF. 10 seconds to go, 21, 22, 23, we're buying at 31, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So buy now, guys. So buy now. Now, let me do a screenshot of the previous signal here, USDT RY. So this is $510 move. Okay, so now that is running. Now the fourth signal is running. So let me do a screenshot of that too. So I have a question here that says, okay, so I have a question here that says, I have been meaning to ask you, how did you create the AI? Well, that requires a lot of knowledge in trading itself and a lot of knowledge in coding itself and programming itself. So that is how I created the AI. So we have 2 more minutes and 57 seconds on the on this signal. looks like a nice entry. Very, very sweet entry. But let's see how it goes. Okay, let me confirm your user ID, sir. Let me see. Okay, you already opened. Okay, that's been a while. Okay, confirmed. So, okay. So, Mr. Aluba, do you want a 2-hour access to the AI or you want a permanent access to the AI? Which one is it? Let me know. Okay, so just go ahead and fund the IQ options account. The moment you fund this IQ options account I sent to me, the AI will be permanently unlocked. So you would always have access to it. Always. And you will be able to join the market warriors too. So we have 1 minute and 15 seconds to go. Any questions, guys? Any questions? So for those of us who are still here, who are new, how do you get access to AI? Very, very simple steps. Yes, fully. AI would unlock itself automatically, and you would have access to everything in full, everything, all features. The moment the AI is unlocked, all features will be available to you in full. You're welcome, sir. All features. So, okay, so 13 seconds, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So we are done on this signal. So let's go to the last final signal for the live session, which is the 5th one. So let's go. Did I do the screenshots? Card CHF, right? Yeah. So let's go to the last one. 80% is 80%. We're looking for 90 to 99. So this is here we have 95 and strong. So what is the pair? Euro JPY. So we search EURJPY, and how long are we trading for? 5 minutes standard signal. 5 minutes standard signal. So that means we're trading for what? For 5 minutes. Now the next thing we have here is what? Call. That means we're buying. Remember, call is buy, put is sell. So what time are we buying? We're buying at 10:46:47 seconds. So we're buying at 10:46:47 seconds. So let's get ready. I'm going to place this signal. I will go and do a screenshot of the other one. 10:46:47 seconds. So we have less than 10 seconds to go. 39, 40, 41. We're buying at 47, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So buy now, guys. So currently we are on EURJPY, and this is profits for card CHF. So let's do that now. Profits for card CHF. Here we have CAD CHF. Here. So this is 5:10 made on the 4th signal on the live session. So the next thing I'm doing is doing a screenshot of the fifth signal, which is the EUR-JPY, Euro-JPY. Fifth signal on the fifth AI signal of the last session, fifth AI signal of the live trading session. Okay, so for those of us who have questions, we are still taking questions. I am still taking questions, so you guys can ask questions. So we have 2 minutes and 37 seconds to go. I know someone who I would boldly call the master of growing small accounts. Follows the risk management framework like from A to Z and never misses out on anything. And it grows it gradually until he makes something out of it. One day he is going to come and speak on the live session and he is going to explain how he does it. But I call him the master of growing small accounts. I just developed it in my head right now. And one day he's going to do that. And he's going to probably come and motivate every single person with a small account. So any questions, guys? Do we have a question? For those of us who are new here, how do you get access to AI? Very, very simple. 3 simple steps you need to follow. The first step is for you to register on mjmoptions.com. The moment you register on mjmoptions.com, you send me the email you registered with. The second step is for you to register on IQ Options and make sure you create an account using our link. Register on IQ Options, create an account using our link. You go to your profile, you copy your user ID. Once you copy your user ID, you go to your wallet, you fund your IQ Options trading account, and from there the AI will be unlocked permanently, so you would always get access to it. Every feature of the AI will be available to you. So does anyone have a question? Does anyone have a question while we still have this signal running? Okay, so let's get ready for the first martingale level on the 5th signal, which is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So martingale level 1, guys. So let's see how this goes. Now, for those of us who are new, the very first step is for you to register on mgmoptions.com. You must register on mgmoptions.com. You register on mgmoptions.com. You send me the email you registered with. That's the first step. Now, the second step is for you to register on IQ Options. Make sure you register using our link. You go to your profile, you copy your user ID, you send that to me. Also, the second step is for you. The first step is for you to fund your IQ Options account like you're about to trade, and then you get a permanent access to the AI. That's basically how it works. For those of us who have had an IQ Options account before you came to MJM, that's simple. What you need to do also is to just create a new account. Click our link, copy it on a new browser. register with a different email from what you've had before, then you go to your user ID, you go to your profile, go to your user ID, copy it, send that to me, verify your account, fund your IQ options account, and then you will get the permanent access to the AI. Anyone with any question, now is the time to ask. We still have about 3 more minutes to go on this live session. Still a very, very long time. Does anyone have a question? Anyone?
So
Anyone?
I do have a question.
Go ahead, Mr. Mark. Go ahead, Mr. Mark.
What if you take your entry at the second martingale, like all of your entries in the second martingale?
That's if you have known. That's if you know that the previous entries you didn't give in the previous entries, then you can do that.
Okay, so you cannot just
But if
start
you
with it.
but if you don't know, that if you have won it, it is wrong for you to do that. But if you have not won it, you can take it.
Okay.
Yes. So if okay, you are talking about this, right? You're talking about this signal, right? ID, are you talking about this signal, Mr. Mark?
No, not this one. Just everything.
Randomly.
Yeah.
Okay. You can, but that's if you already follow the signal from the beginning. But since a lot of times when we see a signal, we don't know what has happened. Do you understand? So we can never be certain. So instead, what do? We just let it go. But the moment you know what happened to the signal from the beginning, and you realize that okay, you didn't win the first one, you didn't win the second one, then you can be confident that okay, let me go with the second martingale with everybody. Do you understand? So that's the that's the only reason. That's the only time you can take a martingale level. So let's get ready for this. For the second martingale level on this one. So we have 40 more seconds to go. So we have 20. So get ready, guys, for the second martingale level, just in case, because it's playing around our entry point. So you don't miss out by a second. You need that 1 second. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that concludes our final signal for the live session. We want that also. So let's do a screenshot. Screenshot is important. So this is done here. So we made about 440, if I'm not mistaken, $440 made on the signal itself. Okay, 432. $432 made on the signal itself. $432. So, does anyone have a question before we close out this live session? Next live session. Funny enough, we never got to use an hour on this live session. Does anyone have a question? Anyone? Anyone? Okay, so for those of us who are here and I know. The mentorship session is still on. Registration is still open. You've suffered trading, you've suffered trading, you are new to trading, you just want to begin right, message me and let's get you started. So this offer is between now till the 3rd of May. So make sure you guys are messaging me, sending me a message in regards to that, so I can get you started. I've already gotten about 10 or 12 spaces already. So make sure you guys are ready for that. Messaging me for that, so I can get you started. Make sure you guys are doing that. So my DM is open, and they send me a message at any point in time. So okay. Go ahead. You can hear me, sir. Let's hear you, Mr. Leonard. Let's hear you.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, clearly.
Morning. Please, as a beginner, what's the minimum amount you can fund in your IQ option account? What is the minimum amount?
Okay. If you want to fund your IQ options account, the minimum amount you can fund on your IQ options is $10. The minimum you can fund on your IQ options account is $10.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, sir. Any questions, guys? I'd love to hear questions. I'd love to hear these questions. Let them bring them in. Let them keep coming. We just finished a nice live session here. So let's hear your questions. Any questions, guys? All right, so in the absence of questions, I'd love to close out this live session. So guys, make sure you message me, chat at Josh, that is me, or chat at MGM Support, and that is our support team. So just message any of the Telegram channels, Telegram user IDs, and you get to any of us that way. So it's nice having you guys around for this live session. It's been amazing. We made over $2,000 on the live session, and that's us not doing so much. We made over $2,000 on the live session. Over 2,000, yeah. So 555, yeah. We did about over $2,000. So it's nice having you guys around. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you by 12:30 for the next live session. It won't be a trading live session, though. It will just be a regular a regular live session, not a trading live session. So I'll see you guys later.